Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top growth stocks that I'm buying this month. In December, I was thinking smart to go into the month with some sort of game plan, watch list, so we can all make as much money as possible. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video, and if you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter, and we talk about everything money, from stocks to money management to trading, investing. So subscribe and join the team. Also, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading or trading in the market, I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about my strategy, my mindset, how I find stock and opportunity in the market. So check it out. We're offering a Black Friday sale for the rest of this month. We were just going to do it for a week, but you guys absolutely loved it. So I said, screw it. Let's do it for the entire month so we can help you guys out. You guys will have access to the group chat and quizzes, lectures. So guys, check it out, but let's dive into the top stocks that I'm buying. All right. So like I said, I always think it's smart to go into the month with some sort of game plan or strategy so you can make as much money as possible rather than going into it blind. You know, for me going into the month, I think it's like a football team going into a game. You have to have a playbook, a plan, so we can make as much money as possible. So let's dive into stock number one. So stock number one is definitely going to be a continuation play as well as a little bit of a higher risk play. The stock that I chose is Coinbase. Now, the reason why Coinbase has had amazing buying pressure is actually because of Bitcoin. They hold about $39 billion worth of Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin being up 150% this year, a lot of analysts are thinking that this thing is going to absolutely continue to rally up even more. One of the more popular reasons why we're seeing this trend, because during 2020 where we had a stock market crash, a lot of people invested a bunch of money into Coinbase because people wanted to put their money into something decentralized, and with a lot of people thinking we're going to have a correction or crash in 2024, I think that this is one of the reasons why we're seeing a lot of buying pressure start entering Bitcoin, as well as Coinbase being up a whole bunch this year. We've seen a variety of fantastic fundamentals increase, like the revenue, the net profit margin, obviously the cash flow has increased, and their total assets has increased because they hold a bunch of Bitcoin. So for me, I think investing into Coinbase would definitely be a continuation play just because it's already up so high this year. But a lot of experts are thinking that this thing could easily hit $400 or $500 a share within the next year or so. So that's really exciting for a stock under 200 bucks. All right, moving on to stock number two. Before we jump into that, hit that like button and subscribe. Do it right now and check out my course. Check it out. All right, moving on to stock number two is going to be the one, the only Tesla. And I know a lot of people right now are saying, Carter, why would you ever buy Tesla? Well, Tesla just released their Cybertruck, and honestly, we've had mixed opinions about it. One of the reasons why a lot of people haven't liked it is because it was supposed to be around $39,000, but obviously with all the lockdowns and things getting more expensive because of inflation, this has caused the price to jump from $39,000 starting out to about $60,000 starting out. So obviously, we've seen a bunch of people cancel their reservations, but I definitely think if Tesla can take up some of the market cap from like the F-150 or Ford, this is going to be major growth for Tesla. With that being said, we have seen great fundamentals out of Tesla over the past year, and I think we'll see a continuation, going into 2024, as well as we've seen Tesla cut their prices, and I think that's more of a temporary issue. I think in 2024, we'll see them start getting more expensive, which will mean more money for Tesla. All right, moving on to stock number three is going to be the one, the only SoFi. Now, SoFi is a fintech company. It's pretty much like an online bank that offers crypto investing, it offers stock market investing, but as well as loan refinance and student loan refinance. I honestly believe with student loans right now, we're seeing more people actually have to pay them back. And I know it sounds crazy because we actually seen the government forgive billions of dollars worth of student loans, but that's only for federal loans. Now, all the private loans, students have to pay back or refinance them. And that's where SoFi steps in. They make a bunch of money off that. And I honestly think looking back in 2 to 5 years, SoFi is going to be an absolute play of the year. Now, another reason why I love it is we've seen a whole bunch of insider buying out of SoFi. We've seen the CEO, the CFO buy like $100,000, $200,000 worth of stock. So it's an absolute no-brainer. I really think looking back, we'll see a lot of growth out of this one, as well as great fundamentals, so you can't beat that. All right, moving on to stock number four is going to be Google. We've seen a great sell-off from Google, soon rebounded, but I really think looking at Google as a whole, they have over $100 billion in cash. They are heavily invested into software technology. technology, AI, which is ready to grow at 37% annually for the next 10 years, as well as right now Google is near and around that 90-day and 200-day moving average line, which has tendencies of getting some support there where we get some buying pressure. So for me, I definitely think Google could be more of a trade opportunity as well as a long-term investment opportunity. You know, it's a staple company, you can't go wrong with investing in it. All right, moving on to the last and final stock. Stock number 5 is going to be the one, the only Disney. And I know a lot of people either love or they don't like Disney, but for me, Disney is an American icon. You know, they make a bunch of money, and I understand they've struggled this past year in their box office and with Disney Plus, but with the CEO, Bob Iger, really stepping in and really start focusing on making quality rather than quantity, I honestly think we're going to see a lot of growth out of Disney in 2024, 2025, as well as one of the things that a lot of people love are the Disney parks, and Disney is investing about $10 billion into these parks. So I'm excited to see what happens out of this, as well as, yes, I understand there's more competition, but honestly, Disney is an American icon. You can't go wrong with investing in it. And if we look at the chart, you guys will see Disney sold off a lot. So it's like buying the stock completely undervalued and near and around a heavy support for this company. So you can't go wrong with investing in it, guys. So these were the top 5 stocks that I'm buying. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. And if you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next. Take care.